Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English Daily, the podcast where learning English feels easy, fun, and friendly. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here.
Yes, today we're going to talk about weekend plans. That's right, how to talk about what you're going to do this weekend or what you usually do on weekends.
It's a super useful topic. You can use it with friends, classmates, or even in small talk at work.
Exactly. And we'll help you learn some simple, real-life phrases like, I'm going to the park, or I might visit my parents.
So grab a drink, relax, and let's learn together.
And hey, before we start, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe to Practice English Daily so you never miss an episode.
All right, ready to talk about the weekend?
Let's go. So, Eric, what are your plans for the weekend?
Good question. This weekend, I'm going to visit my brother. He lives about 1 hour away.
That sounds nice. I'm going to visit my brother. That's a great example. So everyone listening, when you talk about future plans, you can say, I'm going to plus verb.
Right. For example, I'm going to see a movie. I'm going to cook dinner. I'm going to sleep all day.
Oh, that last one sounds perfect.
Yeah, sometimes the best plan is no plan.
Exactly. So listeners, say it with us. I'm going to.
I'm going to.
Good job.
Now let's add some details. Try saying, I'm going to the park on Saturday.
Or, I'm going to meet my friend for lunch.
Great examples. Repetition helps you remember, so let's repeat once more. Say it with us, I'm going to meet my friend for lunch.
I'm going to meet my friend for lunch.
Nice work.
Now, let's talk about common weekend activities. Eric, what are some things people usually do?
Good question. People often relax, clean the house, visit family, or go shopping.
Yes, some people also say, I stay home and watch movies.
Or I go out with friends.
Let's break those down. The verb go is very common. I go shopping, I go running, I go to the beach.
Exactly. And notice, we say go to the beach, not go beach.
Always use to before a place. Good point. So you can say, I go to the park, I go to church, I go to my friend's house.
Nice and simple.
Let's do a mini practice. I'll say the beginning and you finish it at home, okay?
Let's do it.
I go to.
Nice. You can say, I go to the gym, or I go to the market.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Another useful word is usually. For example, I usually rest on weekends. I usually visit my parents.
Or I usually sleep late.
Yes, weekends are for sleeping.
Let's repeat that word, usually. It means something you do most of the time.
Say it slowly with us. I usually.
I usually.
Well done.
Okay, now let's talk about possible plans, things you might do.
Yes, if you're not sure yet, you can say, I might.
For example, I might go to the beach. I might stay home. I might visit my cousin.
Might means maybe. It's not 100% sure.
Exactly. Let's compare. I'm going to the park. Sure. I might go to the park. Maybe.
That's easy, right? Let's repeat both. I'm going to the park.
I might go to the park.
Nice job. And here's another phrase. I don't have plans yet.
Yes, that's useful when you don't know what you'll do.
You can also say, I'm not sure yet.
Let's try a short dialogue for practice.
Jessica, what are your plans for the weekend?
I'm not sure yet. I might go shopping.
Oh, cool. What do you want to buy?
Maybe some new shoes.
Nice.
See, that's how you can have a simple weekend conversation.
Let's do it again, slowly.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I might go shopping.
Perfect. All right, let's do more examples with going to.
I'll say a sentence, and you, our listener, repeat after me. Ready?
Let's go.
I'm going to visit my grandma.
Good. Next one. I'm going to cook dinner.
Great. I'm going to clean my room.
Nice. I'm going to meet my friends.
Excellent work.
You're improving already.
Now, let's make it a conversation. I'll ask, you answer. Jessica, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandma.
Cool. What about Sunday?
I'm going to rest and watch a movie.
Good plan.
See, everyone? You can use going to in real talk like this.
Yes, it's perfect for small talk at work or school.
Exactly. When someone asks, "What are you doing this weekend?" now you know what to say.
That's right. Let's repeat that question together. What are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
Nice job.
Now let's talk about when you'll do something.
Yes, time expressions are very helpful. For example, on Saturday, on Sunday, this weekend.
So you can say, "I'm going to the park on Saturday," or "I'm going to visit my friend this weekend."
Exactly. Let's practice.
I'll start. I'm going to clean my house on Saturday.
I'm going to relax on Sunday.
Nice.
You can also use in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night.
Right. For example, I'm going to the market in the morning. I'm going to a party at night.
So, everyone, let's repeat that. In the morning,
In the afternoon.
at night.
Perfect.
Good job, everyone. You're doing really well.
Let's do one more full conversation to put everything together.
Great idea. Let's show how people really talk.
Okay, let's pretend it's Friday evening.
All right. Hey, Jessica, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday morning. What about you?
I might go hiking with my friends. I'm not sure yet.
That sounds fun. Do you usually hike on weekends?
Not always. Sometimes I just stay home and play guitar.
Oh, nice. I usually cook something special on Sunday.
Really? What do you like to cook?
I love making pancakes.
Pancakes. That's the best weekend breakfast.
Yes, it is. Now let's repeat a few sentences from that conversation so you can practice too.
Ready?
I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday.
I might go hiking with my friends.
I usually cook something special on Sunday.
Good job.
Okay, everyone. Great work today. Let's review what we learned.
We learned how to talk about your weekend plans using simple English.
Yes, here are the key phrases. I'm going to for sure plans. I might for maybe plans. I usually for habits. I don't have plans yet when you're not sure.
And we also practice time expressions like on Saturday, this weekend, in the morning, at night.
Perfect.
Remember, the best way to learn is to practice, so try saying these sentences aloud a few times today.
Yes, maybe tell a friend. I'm going to listen to Practice English Daily.
That's a great weekend plan.
All right, friends. Before we go, here's our community question. What are your weekend plans?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know.
Maybe you're going to the park, or maybe you're just staying home. Whatever it is, share it with us.
And don't forget to follow and subscribe so you can practice with us every week.
You're doing amazing. Keep going, keep learning, and keep smiling.
See you next time on Practice English Daily.
Bye, everyone. Have a great weekend.